So working as an admissions coordinator, when I get phone calls, I think the biggest thing for me is to make sure that the person on the other end of the phone knows that we care, that we're not just worried about numbers or filling our beds. We genuinely care about what it is that that individual is going through or what their family member is going through, and that we want to help them. Whether they're calling for substance use or they're calling for trauma, we want them to know there's help, there's a way for them to work through this and to be happy again. This doesn't have to be their life. It doesn't have to be filled with just the trauma and the darkness and the depression. So I strive to really let the person on the other end of the phone know that I'm listening and I'm hearing what their needs are and doing what I can to meet those needs. For me, I understood, with working with this company, I've worked here for 4 years, I understand how accelerated resolution therapy works, right? I understand why we work on changing behaviors. That stuff made sense to me. But then when we brought in functional medicine, at first, none of that made any sense to me at all. I mean, I read about it, I listened to people talk about it, but it really didn't click for me until somebody was like, well, why don't you try it? Why don't you look and see what is going on with your body as a whole? I feel like I was always tired. I didn't have energy. I have a really hard time concentrating or focusing on things. And so I feel like I'm go, go, go all the time, but I'm just going in circles. So when I was challenged to look into see what amino acids I was deficient in and look and see if there was anything that was going on in my gut that may have been causing me to be more tired, right? It's not just that I'm tired, maybe it's that there's a reason behind it. I was skeptical, but I tried it, and now I'm probably one of the biggest advocates for what we do with functional medicine. I feel like as silly as it sounds, I feel like I'm 21 again.